Here's how to change the view options in Outlook to customize how your emails are displayed. At the top of your Outlook dashboard, click the View tab. From the drop-down that appears, select View Settings. A window will open, giving you a range of customization options for your email layout. You can adjust the text size, choose Small for a more compact inbox for a more compact inbox, or Medium and Large if you prefer bigger and easier to read text. You can also adjust the spacing between messages to make your inbox feel less crowded or more airy, depending on your preference. Scroll down further and you will find options to change message height, toggle sender images on or off, and adjust your reading pane layout, choosing whether it appears on the side or at the bottom of the screen. You can also change how conversations are grouped and displayed in your message list. Once you have made all your adjustments, click Save, and your new view settings will apply across your entire Outlook inbox immediately. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.